So you're spending the evening with someone special and you want to prove to them that you know your way around a Boston shaker. Well, I've got 4 easy vodka cocktail recipes that is guaranteed to blow them away. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video we're going to be talking about 4 easy vodka cocktail recipes that I'll guarantee you'll have mastered in no time. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Now when I say easy vodka cocktail recipes, I'm talking about recipes where the one and only alcoholic ingredient is vodka and the rest of the ingredients are stuff that you could find easily in your kitchen or with a quick trip to the grocery store. Now I've actually done a couple other videos following the same philosophy, one for rum and one for gin. These videos right here. You can check these videos out once you're done watching this one if you're looking for some more great ideas. And quick FYI, all the videos that are going to be mentioned in this video are going to be linked in the description. So once you're done watching this, you won't have to go searching the entire internet for them. Just head on to the description and click on it. And also this video right here so that you can make yourself the perfect simple syrup, because even though it's just sugar and water, as you may or may not know, it is a key ingredient in many of these cocktails. And by all means, and most definitely, I always say this, please don't buy it, make it at home. It's just sugar and water, but that video will help you get it done perfectly. Now onto the cocktails. Now the first of our simple vodka cocktails is going to be our cucumber cooler. Now for this one, all you're going to do is go ahead and grab your shaker, take 4 to 6 fresh slices of mint, 2 slices of cucumber, and then go ahead and give those a nice muddle, get the juices going, release the oils from the mint. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and add 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, and then 2 ounces of your vodka. Add some ice to your shaker, go ahead and give it a nice shake, and then go ahead and double strain that into your highball glass with some ice in it. Now I always go with double straining for this particular one because I think it makes for a cleaner cocktail. You don't get the fine bits of cucumber or bits of mint in your mixture, and it just makes for a more pleasant drinking experience for your guests. And once you've finished double straining your cocktail, go ahead and add 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water to it. Once you're done with that, go ahead and garnish it with a fresh sprig of mint, agitate it over your fingers, place it behind the ice, gets those aromas going, so when they take that first sip, they get hit with the aromas from the mint, plus the flavors of the cocktail. Cucumber cooler, you just can't go wrong. Next up on our list of vodka drink recipes is the Kaprioska. Now you may or may not be familiar with its cousins, the Caipirinha and the Mojito. If not, check out these videos right here once you're done with this one. But we're going to get into it right now. Go ahead and take your shaker and take 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves. Now you can go one of 2 ways at this, right? You could either quarter a lime, or you could go with what we're doing right here and take 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, add that to your shaker. Go ahead and give the leaves a nice press. Once you're finished with that, got the oils nice and released and everything, go ahead and add 1 ounce of simple syrup and then 2 ounces of vodka. Add some ice to your shaker, give it a nice shake. And then you're going to go ahead and double strain that into your glass with some crushed ice. Add about 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water to the mixture and fill it with some more crushed ice. And you're all set with your Kaprioska. Take some fresh mint, agitate it over your fingers for a garnish, place it in the ice, and you're good to go. Now third on our list of easy vodka drink recipes is the lemon drop. Now I actually first learned of this particular cocktail back in my college days. It was a very popular shot back in the day. Don't know if it still is right now or how bad I'm really dating myself, but you know, whatever. Still a nice drink. And for this one, super simple. All you're going to need is to grab your shaker with some ice in it. Go ahead and add 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and then 2 ounces of your vodka. Go ahead and give that a nice shake, and then double strain that into your glass. Serve it nice and chilled. And then you're going to take lemon zest, express the oils over that, rub it around the rim so that you make sure you get all the aromas and the flavors from the lemon oils, and you are all set with the lemon drop. Super easy, clean, tart, sweet, refreshing cocktail. Now finally on our list of easy vodka cocktail recipes, we have our Moscow Mule. Super simple. Just go ahead and grab your glass with some ice in it. Go ahead and add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice to it, 2 ounces of vodka, And then you're going to go ahead and add about 4 ounces of spicy ginger beer. Once you're done with that, just give it a nice stir, bring it down to temperature, and then you are all set with your Moscow Mule. Go ahead and garnish it with a lime wheel. And of course, this is a very popular drink, and just in case you're looking to make a big batch of this or any of the other cocktails, you can check out these videos right here to give you an idea on how you can properly make a big batch of any of these, or any drink for that matter, and making sure you maintain the same level of integrity as regarding the flavor and making sure it tastes perfect in a big batch every single time. And those are my easy vodka cocktail recipes for you. Like I said, quick, simple, easy vodka drink recipes that I'm certain you will master in no time. Now, if you're looking for products and programs to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, don't forget to head over to barprints.co and check out our Mixology Mastery program. I put together a comprehensive program that will teach you basic skills all the way up to advanced techniques, guaranteed for you to master the art of the cocktail. Now, if you like this video, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. For more great bartending videos, bartending tips and tricks and things like that, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.